Up you go now, at your own pace, boys. No way. Well, how are you getting on? Ni hao ma. Welcome to Zhangjiajie here in China's Henan province. I just took that glass elevator, as you saw, the highest one in the world as self-proclaimed, and it was terrible. I was standing at the back, I couldn't see anything, and I paid just over €9 for that. So I would not recommend doing it because I don't think the view seems that good anyway. But we're here anyway in this park that I've really wanted to come to. It's meant to be beautiful. It's meant to have inspired the film Avatar, although I'm pretty sure that James Cameron denies that it inspired Avatar. But nonetheless, I'm pretty sure they have Avatar statues around here. It's very busy, but probably quiet by Chinese standards. Anyway, let's go explore. If you enjoy, give it a like and subscribe. Let's go. I made the mistake of entering the park at 9 AM as opposed to when it opens at 7:30 AM. Checked into my hostel yesterday. Everything was going to plan. Then I got to the room and it was 9:45 PM and the lights were off, and I had loads of stuff to prepare for today. I was so annoyed. I don't turn it on. I'm a nice guy like that, so I soaked it up. I went to bed, and then three people snoring really loud in the room. Got a terrible sleep. Couldn't get up early. Rain and snow? I don't see any. It's a long way down. Check out that natural bridge, looks really cool. It's very impressive from here, and I'm going to walk across it right now. So just like many places around the world, if you're in love with somebody, you can show that by putting a lock onto the fence here with a red ribbon, and they sell them down there. Lock it in. But if I remember correctly, there was a bridge in France that actually had so many locks on it that they had to cut them all off because the bridge was going to fall down. I wonder how long it'll be before this natural bridge, boom, bang, and it's all over. If you look carefully on the details of this, you'll see that they have a load of swastikas. Anyone needs a drummer, let me know. Lots of Chinese snacks around here. A few cucumber sticks, a few skewers. Plenty of noodles. Or if you prefer, you can have some Kentucky Fried Chicken right here in Zhangjiajie. Went for one of them, whatever it is. Just pointed at it, not sure what it is, but it costs 10. It's like a donut with no sugar. Pretty bland, but fills you. I'm going up to see the Great Wall of Natural, but I think the better translation would be the Natural Great Wall. It's very busy today. Apparently it's low season, so I'd hate to see it in high season, but I can count on both my hands how many Western people I've seen. It's all Chinese, so if you want to get an authentic traveling experience, come to China, because no one speaks English and you won't really see many of your own. It's great, I love it, such a challenge. Great service here. I'm stuck behind all these people that are getting carried everywhere. Look at this. Ni hao. This is a very exciting walk. Look at that, way down the cable car. Woo! Size of them, unbelievable. We continue this way, and look, need to have a quick game of limbo. I'm gonna lose. It's a very narrow, steep climb. Whew. My shoulders aren't gonna fit here. Whew. I'm up. I actually love that health and safety does not apply in China. Look at this. It's very steep. Hello! Hello! Go, go, go! Yeah, let's go. Move that ass. You can do it! Woo! Where's the mansion? Where's the mansion? I know my mother is going to be disgusted at this, but woo! My God, it's still going, still going, still going. By the way, perfectly acceptable in China to spit. Ooh, narrow. I'm stuck. Ni hao ma. Ooh, big sun hat for the road. Backwards baseball cap, balling. Zebra stripes. How are you now? Man bag on the front with a bottle of Coke. How's things? Ni hao ma. Ni hao. And then we got Mr. Mountain Climber. He's got the gloves, the watch, the hat, the bag, everything. You name it. And then we have the Instagram celeb. Except I don't use Insta here. Ni hao. Ni hao. Ni hao. Thank you, shishie. Right, we're stocked up on the oranges now from that nice lady. 5 RMB. Not too bad. Bit to get the juices flowing. Ni hao. Up you go now, at your own pace, boys. The journey continues. Ni hao. These are my new friends. So I've jumped off the bus with my 2 new friends. Say your names again. Say your names. Li Yuanchen, Li Ziyin. Li Yuanchen and Li Ziyin, and we're going down to some I can't even remember. Shuntan Gulf, because apparently there's no one down here. Look at this place. That is absolutely Changguan down there. Changguan. Come on, ladies. Slowing me down. This man. Yes. What is his name?
Hello.
Huh?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
General Hello. There he is. In all his bronze might. Warm tips, not hot tips, just warm. Please protect the cultural relics. No horsing. What does horsing mean? No horsing. I'm down at Young King Rock now, very, very busy, and I'm not sure which one is the rock. There's a lot of rocks around here. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Ooh, xie. What? That's not the right size. What's going on? Ni hao. Xie. Finishing off the day with a cable car ride down to the bottom, which costs 72 RMB. This whole place would just, you break the bank when you go. Oh wow.
Ah, so fast.
On the way down now, sticking the head out the little window. So peaceful, so peaceful. Do you like it?
China's first national forest park. Well known.
Ice, yeah. What do you know? I got brought for dinner in the end. Chinese style dinner. Absolutely delicious. Thank you, girls. Thank you. I hit the jackpot meeting those two girls because just had a delicious, authentic Chinese meal. It's always a pleasure when you have Chinese people order the food for you. Delicious. Anyway, that is Zhangjiajie, day 1. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give the video a like, comment down below, and if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe. There's a lot of videos coming soon, and there's a lot on my channel already. Anyway, see you in the next one real soon. Good luck. There's a bit of a fascination with my drone going on down there. Bye now.